Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the new ransomware, which is called Ash. This Ash ransomware encrypts files, modifies the file names, and encrypts them. It drops two files that contain a ransom note. The ransomware then tells the victims to pay a special ransom for file recovery. Well, my video is solely for the educational purposes. I'm not promoting this ransomware and I'm not related to this ransomware. I'm just showing to you the negative impact of this ransomware on the files. So before the ransomware attack, you are definitely able to open your files without troubles. But because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Ash ransomware may be easily injected into the device. So now you can clearly see what happens after the ransomware attack. You try to open the specific file and you get the message saying that Windows cannot open this type of file with the Ash appended extension. You cannot open your files anymore. So the ransomware tells its victims that they should pay the special ransom for file recovery, but this does not guarantee that your data would be restored, so don't pay the ransom. We recommend that you immediately remove this horrible ransomware with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You need to download it through Internet Explorer browser because other browsers and their desktop shortcuts can also be damaged by this ransomware. So go to the page combocleaner.com, download the program, install it, and then start researching your computer with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The program will be initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available in the trial mode. Most likely the program will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely crucial and essential for proper detection and removal of any ransomware. Please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner, which is called anti-ransomware. This feature allows you to add one or several folders on the system that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. But that feature, anti-ransomware feature, is a part of the premium license only. The scanning duration depends on various factors, but it may indeed take some time, at least several minutes, I would say. Then at the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of the threats that were found on your computer. You will be able to know the exact locations of threats. I strongly advise that you consider upgrading to premium as the best solution to keep your data always protected in the future. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove this ransomware, but it will not restore the data that was encrypted. No, Combo Cleaner only removes the ransomware, but it is not able to recover your data.